In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments on the rows in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your files connected to the right line of work, so context never gets lost and collaboration stays smooth. First, make sure you've opened the Smartsheet you're working on and you can see the row where you want to keep related files. Each row in Smartsheet represents a specific task, item, or record, and attaching files directly to that row keeps everything in one place for your team. Move your cursor to the far left side of the row you want. As you hover over that left edge, you'll see a small set of icons appear. Look for the paperclip icon. Go ahead and click it. The moment you do, an attachments panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is your drop zone for files and where you'll see everything that's linked to this particular row. Now, bring your files over. Open your computer's file browser or your desktop where the documents live, select the files you want, and simply click and drag them into that attachments panel on the right. As you hover over the panel, you'll notice it highlight or prompt you to drop the files. Release your mouse, and the upload begins immediately. You can drag a single file or multiple files at once if you have several related documents. As the files upload, you'll see the file names appear in the panel, often with a quick progress indicator. When the upload finishes, the files are now attached to that specific row. That's all there is to it. The attachments live with the row, so when teammates open this row's details, they can quickly access the same documents without hunting through emails or shared drives. A few quick tips to keep things tidy and easy to find. Use clear file names before you drag them in, so others can recognize the right version at a glance. Larger files may take a little longer to upload, so give them a moment to finish. If your sheet has many rows, attaching files at the row level helps keep each conversation and document thread focused on the right work item. And that's it. Hover over the left side of the row, click the paperclip, and drag your files into the panel on the right. You've just set up a clean, consistent way to store context right where your team needs it.